ਹੈਲਥ ਕੇਅਰ ਅਸਿਸਟੈਂਟ ਵਜੋਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੈਰੀਅਰ ਐਸਟੈਬਲਿਸ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਨਖਾਹ ਤੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਸਟਰਨ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਕਾਲਜ ਪਹੁੰਚੋ। ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਘੱਟ ਟਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਫੀਸ ਅਤੇ ਈਜ਼ੀ ਇੰਸਟਾਲਮੈਂਟਸ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫੁੱਲ ਟਾਈਮ, ਪਾਰਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਜਾਂ ਈਵਨਿੰਗ ਕੋਰਸਸ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਮੁਫਤ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਐਬਟਸਫੋਰਡ ਤੋਂ ਮੁਫਤ ਰਾਈਡ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਹੈ। ਹਫਤੇ ਦੇ 7 ਦਿਨ ਖੁੱਲੇ ਇਸ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਰਜਿਸਟਰਡ ਕਾਲਜ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਲੀਨਿਕਲ ਵਰਕ ਅਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟੀਕਮ ਲਈ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਲੈਬਸ ਹਨ। ਆਈਲੈਟਸ, ਅਕਾਊਂਟਿੰਗ ਅਤੇ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਕੋਰਸ ਵੀ ਕਰਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਨ। ਕਮ ਐਂਡ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਦ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ। ਵੈਸਟਰਨ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਕਾਲਜ 604-594-3500।
Once again, welcome back to the program. ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਕੇਟੀ ਹੈਮਨਰ ਨਾਲ। ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਨੇ ਵਨ ਫੇਸ ਵਾਚ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਤੋਂ। ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਸੰਸਥਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਘੜੀਆਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਇਹ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਵੇਅਰਨੈਸ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇਹ ਘੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਦਦ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਲੋਕ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਮਦਦ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ। ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੈਰਿਟੀਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਰਲ ਕੇ ਇਹ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਇसी ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲੈਣੇ ਆ ਕੇਟੀ ਹੈਮਨਰ ਤੋਂ। ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ।
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. Welcome. So what is this One Face Watch Canada?
So One Face Watch Canada is a global movement that started 2 years ago down in Chicago, Illinois by a company called Mirza Minds. So the creative director of that company, Fam Mirza, he wanted to create a product that could kind of bridge the gap between hardships that people experience in third world countries and the comforts that we feel here in the first world.
Okay.
So he created the One Face Watch, which is this watch here, and every watch gives back to a different charity partner and a different cause. So it's a very amazing product.
So how did you got attracted to this particular charity?
I got attracted to them just because I love making a difference. I love kind of the aspect of we are doing something good for not only our local community, but we're doing something good for the global community by supporting One Face Watch.
Right.
And I think it's very cool because it's different than a lot of charities in the way of instead of giving a certain dollar amount or a percentage of money, they're giving a very cool metric.
Okay.
So, for example, this watch here that we have that we'd like to give to you today feeds 16 children in the Horn of Africa with our charity partner One Day's Wages, which is absolutely amazing because you really know then exactly the difference that you're making in the world, and that's
Wonderful.
why I love it so much.
Oh, that's great. So it started in Chicago about 2 years back, as you said. So where all it has spread till now?
So it's spread globally since then. So we just started distributing in Canada about 6 months ago. It's also over in the European countries, it's in South Africa, it's in Australia, and then of course it's in the States as well. So it's really growing into a global movement.
That's wonderful. Like you said, I'm seeing on this watch it's written one watch feeds 16 children. So basically, is it confined to one particular area where help is provided? And how does this work? Because you are working with a lot of charities.
We are working with a lot of charities. So each watch is a different color, and depending on which color that you decide to go with, depends on which charity and which cause you're going to support. So this watch here, which does feed the 16 children in the Horn of Africa with One Day's Wages, it would be feeding the 16 children with that charity partner and where they work. But something like our Black Watch, which supports the Canadian Cancer Society and provides funding for cancer research, that would impact Canadians all across Canada suffering with cancer. Or our charity partner Keep a Child Alive, One Watch, which is our red watch for that one, provides AIDS treatment for 8 patients. So really, depending on which cause and charity you go with, you're kind of making an impact all over the world.
So it's up to you. It's up to a customer. Whatever charity he or she wants to support, they can choose that kind of watch, and then they can donate, and that money gets donated to them.
Exactly, yes. So the money is kind of donated through One Face Watch Canada to the charity partner, but you are the one making the difference. And when you kind of look down at your watch every day, it has a mirrored face. You're seeing your reflection looking back at you, and you're seeing that change that you've then made in the world looking back at you, because Fam Mirza, who is the creative director, he kind of believes that change originates from within us.
Absolutely.
So you're making a huge difference, which is amazing.
That's a wonderful thought, as you've said, that this, watch, first you see yourself and then you think yourself to be the change which you want to make.
Exactly.
Wonderful.
You're able to see that.
So till now, as you said, this movement is spreading like wildfire. A lot of people are getting attracted to it, and they're coming with the type of charity they want to donate to. So overall, till now, do you have some statistics as to how many watches people have bought all over the world?
Yeah, so we do. So in the 2 years since it started down in the States has sold almost 200,000 watches.
Wow.
and they've been able to impact over 490,000 lives worldwide, which
Wonderful.
is absolutely amazing.
Great. So if anybody wants to be a part of this movement, do you have any website where they can go and get some more information?
We do. So if anyone wants to join the movement by purchasing a watch or just learning more, they can head to onefacewatch.ca, and there they'll be able to watch a cool video about the movement, learn all about our charity partners and our metrics, and purchase their own watch.
Right.
They can also find us on all of our social media outlets, which are Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at One Face Watch Canada, One Face Watch CA for Twitter.
Okay.
And we'd actually really like to do a giveaway with your viewers. So all they would have to do to be able to win their own One Face Watch is head to our website and pick whichever cause and watch they'd like to support.
Right.
And then head to our Facebook page, which is One Face Watch Canada.
Right.
And just tell us that they kind of saw us here on the Harpreet Singh Show and which cause they want to support, and we'll be giving away 2 watches to your viewers.
That's very kind of you. Thank you very much for
You're
this.
welcome.
While a lot of charities focus on the needs of the human beings, which is required, because what we are finding in the world today is there are so many issues, so many challenges in the third world, or even
Yeah.
in our countries also, that they need to be addressed. But many a times we sideline the animal kingdom also. So is your charity, this movement also thinking about helping the animals also?
We're actually in the process right now of launching our 9th watch to our
Okay.
collection, which is going to be in partnership with the SPCA.
Right.
So we've kind of, up until now, been changing the world one face at a time, and now we're going to start changing the world one animal at a time and helping them all find loving homes, which
Okay.
is amazing.
That's great, Katie. And towards the end, as you said, you have a website and a Facebook page also. What final message would you like to give to our viewers today who are watching this program as to how this watch, by seeing it every day, what changes do you find in yourself and how they can also bring a change?
I think really what we just want to get across to people is that One Face Watch Canada is a global movement, and by purchasing a watch, you're doing so much good in this world. It doesn't matter which cause or which charity you decide to support, you're making a difference no matter what.
Right.
And it's such an amazing way, because a lot of times we're unable to kind of travel to these countries to make a difference ourselves personally.
Right.
But by purchasing this watch and supporting the One Face Watch Canada movement, you're really making a difference in the lives of individuals, which is absolutely amazing. And I mean, we live in such a society nowadays where we think so much about ourselves, but by supporting this watch and supporting this movement, you get to support yourself with a really cool, kind of trendy, stylish watch.
Right.
But at the same time, you're supporting a global movement, a global society, and a global community.
It's
which is
wonderful to
absolutely
hear the work
amazing.
which has been done by your organization. Best wishes and thank you for being here.
Thank you for having us.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਕੇਟੀ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਵਨ ਫੇਸ ਵਾਚ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਤੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ, ਉੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਸੰਸਥਾਵਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੇ ਨੇ। ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਘੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਸ਼ੀਸ਼ਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਚਿਹਰਾ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਚੇਂਜ ਦੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਦਲਾਅ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਬਦਲਾਅ ਲਿਆਵਾਂ। ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਜੁੜੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਚੈਰਿਟੀ ਵਰਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। 2 ਲੱਖ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਇਹ ਘੜੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਨਪਸੰਦ ਜੋ ਚੈਰਿਟੀ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਕੰਟਰੀਬਿਊਟ ਕੀਤਾ, ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਖਰੀਦ ਕੇ, ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਬਣ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ 2 ਵਾਚਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਐਜ਼ ਗਿਵ ਅਵੇ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਫੇਸਬੁੱਕ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਓਪੀਨੀਅਨ ਦਿਓ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਜੋ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਹੋ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਰਲ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਚੇਂਜ ਲਿਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਤਾਂ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਤੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਜੋ ਇਹ ਵੈਬ ਪੇਜ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਫੇਸਬੁੱਕ ਪੇਜ ਇੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੋਰ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ।